Welcome to another lesson by yourtechvision.com, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your system restore. If you set up your system restore, you can retrieve anything you've ever deleted on your computer. So let's go ahead and do that. Hit your start key and you're going to type in restore. And you're going to here create a restore point and or see it, and I want you to hit enter on that. When your system properties box opens, it's going to populate all the different types of drives you have, and I have many. Most people only have one, maybe two. So I want you to tab in to your list box. So if you just tab, the first one you're typically going to hear is Windows C or OSC. And if you have not set this up before, it's going to say off. If any of these drives say off and you have a major hiccup in your computer, you cannot restore it. If you delete your files and folders by accident, you cannot restore them. But if you turn them on, you can save anything, find anything. So all of these are on, and the way you turn them on is you tab to configure or Alt-O. So I'm just going to tab to configure, which is also Alt-O. I'm going to hit spacebar and open. And the default when you first turn on your computer is disable system protection. And what you want to do is up arrow to turn on system protection. And then you're going to tab to your maximum usage depending on your drive, whether it's an SSD or hard drive, and how much space you have will determine how much you need to increase that. And then you're going to Alt-A to apply and Enter to close. Now I've already set this up, so I'm just going to hit Escape out of that. And then if you go to my lesson on how you actually recover all your files and folders, that would be the next sequence in this, and then you can know how to get back anything you accidentally got rid of. Hope that helps.